The thrill and excitement of watching a game live in a stadium is out of this world. Unfortunately, you may not enjoy the game, especially if you are sitting far from the pitch. With innovations like the Jumbotron screen, you can now enjoy close-up images of people on the pitch and the stands. Let's learn more about the mega screen below. This channel mainly shares some professional knowledge about LED display, including design, application, production, and other content introduction. Welcome to subscribe to our channel and open the little bell. You will not miss any more LED display-related information if this video is helpful to you. Also, welcome to like and collect the video. If you have any insights and questions about our content, feel free to leave a message in the comments. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. Well, without further ado, let's get started. In this video, we'll introduce what is a Jumbotron. Table of contents. 1. What is a Jumbotron? 2. How does a Jumbotron work? 3. Where can you use a Jumbotron? 4. Jumbotron versus LED wall. Viewing angle. Resolution. Cost. Customization. Power consumption. 5. Conclusion. What is a Jumbotron? A Jumbotron is a gigantic billboard-like digital screen used to display various types of content indoors and outdoors. You may want to call it a massive LED television. They are most common in stadiums and arenas where they work as the kiss cam or the hockey look-alike cam. Now, imagine your regular TV screen, but many times bigger and brighter than usual. The Jumbotron is a lifesaver for immersive 3D LED displays for different settings like stadiums, concerts, social events, etc. Another word for Jumbotron is Jumbo Vision. The term was widely used by several brands during the early days of the technology. This is mainly because Sony registered Jumbotron as a trademark, forcing other tech manufacturers to stick to Jumbo Vision. Over the years, other electronic and LED manufacturers adopted the name and used it for their screens. When next you hear Jumbotron, you already know it refers to a giant LED display screen. Sometimes, people mistake the Jumbotron LED screen for the Jumbotron in web design. The Jumbotron LED screen is a popular sports LED display screen for stadiums and arenas. However, the Jumbotron in web design is a big box, usually containing bold text to draw attention with the first visit to a website. For this article, we will focus on the giant LED screens for diverse displays. How does a Jumbotron work? This giant display screen uses LED display technology to create colorful output. Each single LED produces different colors, and by combining them all in one, the screen can produce the vibrant output we see. Controlling and setting up things like display quality, screen brightness, and display format are easy because of its control panel. The Jumbotron screen has a high pixel density, and as such, can produce high-quality visuals with great clarity. No matter the weather conditions, the giant screen will shine bright. Nothing can come in between the screen and its display quality. In the end, there is an assurance of top-notch display every time. Where can you use a Jumbotron? If you've ever seen a Jumbotron screen, you will agree that the screen is enormous and occupies a lot of space. The size can leave you wondering the right place to get the best out of the screen. You can use a Jumbotron in some of the following places. 1. Sporting events. This is the most common place where you can find this screen. It provides close-up coverage of the action on the pitch and the crowd's reaction. If you missed any action, the Jumbotron can display a crisp display of that part of the game for your viewing pleasure. 2. Corporate events. Large-scale companies can organize interesting events to collaborate with reasonable companies and showcase their products. The Jumbotron screen will come in handy because it can produce top-notch pictures and videos of your product. 3. Concerts or festivals. Organizers of musical concerts and special events that usually sit up to 1,000 people use this screen to entertain their audience. Those far from the stage can still enjoy a direct feed of all that is happening on the Jumbotron screen in high definition on the screen. 4. Trade shows. The Jumbotron screen is a powerful marketing tool that attracts paying customers. Trade shows allow brands to showcase their products to the world, and this gigantic screen will do justice to that. The Jumbotron will do the job perfectly if you want to attract people to your product at a trade show. 5. Advertisements. If you want to reach a wider audience and expand your client base, you should run an ad. Now imagine running ads on such a gigantic screen. It's like showcasing your brand to the whole world simultaneously. Your products will be better appreciated when they are pleasant to look at. 6. Outdoor cinemas. Movies are more enjoyable when you watch them on a big screen. High-resolution images and a bright screen will keep your viewers hooked from the start of the movie till the end. If you want to take the cinema experience outdoors, you can trust the Jumbotron screen to deliver. Jumbotron vs. LED wall. Initially, the Jumbotron screen used the cathode ray tube (CRT) technology to produce its display. However, since incorporating LED technology into the Jumbotron manufacturing process, the display has become more colorful. Although these display solutions use LED technology, some distinctions exist in their efficiency and capacity. We will compare them based on the following criteria. Viewing angle. An LED wall has a wider viewing angle than a Jumbotron screen. This is mainly because the giant screen is fixed in a specific location with no room for easy modification or adjustment. The setting of the stadium can also affect how well the viewers can see the display on the screen. Most times, there are usually 2 or 3 Jumbotrons to ensure that all sides are covered. Resolution. No doubt the LED wall and Jumbotron both have high-resolution capabilities. The Jumbotron can reproduce crisp pictures and videos. However, the LED wall produces more detailed and sharper output. Customization. If you need a giant screen that will deliver the best quality while allowing you to explore your creative side, the Jumbotron may not be a good fit. On the other hand, LED walls allow for easier customization as they come in different panels, shapes, and sizes. Power consumption. LED walls are very popular because of their energy efficiency. They can produce bright colors and picture output even with the same level of electricity. For the Jumbotron screen, power consumption is high so that the screen does not go down or diminish display quality. Conclusion. Great things sometimes come in big packages. The next big thing you need to elevate your display might be a Jumbotron screen. Don't hesitate. Take a leap of faith and enjoy all that is on the other side of fear. You need proper guidance on how to purchase and mount your Jumbotron screen. A solid LED manufacturer is the answer to all your questions and concerns. At NSELED Cloud, we are available to guide you through the process of setting up your LED advertising screen. Let's get started. In addition, we summarized a complete set of LED display industry applications. PDF document. Welcome to click on the link in the description for free access. Feel free to subscribe to our channel. We will continue to share more valuable LED display-related content. Now we want to hear from you. What is your idea about a Jumbotron? Let's discuss it together in the comment section.